Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a voice-enabled AI agent to your React app using VideoSDK. By the end of this video, you'll have a working AI agent that can listen, respond, and interact in real time all inside your React application. The best part? You don't need to build everything from scratch. We'll use a ready-made starter app and get it running in just a few steps. Alright, let's start with the first step, cloning the starter app. This is the GitHub repository for the starter app. You'll also find a detailed README here with all the instructions on how to run the project. Now let's head back to the docs and start following the steps to set up the agent. Open your terminal and run the command. This gives you a ready-to-use React project with everything already set up. Next, rename the env file and install all the dependencies using npm install command. As these dependencies are installing, let's build our AI voice agent first. Let's open the VideoSDK dashboard, that is app.videosdk. Live add create your account. Now let's create the auth token first. Click on API keys and copy your token, paste it in the env file, and save it. Now let's build our AI voice agent. Go to the Agents tab, click on Build, and then select Agents. Next, click on Add New Agent. Give your agent a name. For example, Lead Qualification Agent, and write a brief prompt describing what it should do. You can also use the Enhance feature to improve your prompt. Just enter a simple prompt, click on Enhance, and it will generate a more refined version for you. Once you're happy with it, click Accept and move ahead. Next, add a welcome message, like, "Hey, how can I help you today?" You can also add a friendly goodbye message for when the conversation ends. Next, select the pipeline either real-time or cascading. Then choose your model provider and the specific model you want to use. Once that's done, click Next, and finally deploy your agent. Now let's test the agent.
Hello, how can I help you today? I understand. To make sure I can connect you with the right resources, could you tell me a bit about what you're looking for?
It's working. Now let's copy the agent ID and version ID from here and paste them into the .env file.
Hello, can I help you today?
Hi, we are building an AI customer support platform. Can you tell me how VideoSDK can help us in building it?
That sounds like an interesting project. To understand how VideoSDK can best support you, could you tell me more about the specific features you're looking to integrate into your AI platform? Are you focused on real-time video communication, recording, or something else?
And that's it. Your AI voice agent is now running inside your React app. This starter kit gives you everything you need to get started quickly. The AI Agent Starter Kit for React apps is available now. Start building today.